So check it out. Here's another Lionel classic I was able to kind of Frankenstein together. It's the 1666E. It's the pre-war version in gunmetal gray color. And I also had another set that I'd bought a while ago from a friend of my mom's that had the gunmetal gray whistle tender, and it's also got a tank car, gondola, and caboose. I'm not sure what this set would have actually had in it, but it makes a nice little set. I know it would have come with the gunmetal gray tender. So anyway, I had to buy two of them to get this one together, because I bought this, the original motor in it. The gears were all stripped. So the new one I bought had one wheel that was loose, but it was on the non-geared side, which made it great because I was able to take a non-geared side wheel from the old motor and put it on this one. And I also had all the valve gear and everything, so I got that all polished up. And I also put the bell on this shell and got the headlight to work. So I got it lubricated and got it running pretty good. So I thought we'd take it for a spin. I wanted one of these 1666Es for a while now. So I finally got one at a pretty good, decent price. I think I've got about $35 in it, which I don't think is too bad. So we'll take it for a spin. You can check it out. Here we go. Of course, those 1666s, they all run really smooth. It's the other ones I have, and this one does too. I haven't run that whistle tender in a while, but it still works really nice. The couplers on these cars are kind of interesting, the way they hook together. Interesting, before they came out with the knuckle couplers, some of the ideas that some of these train manufacturers came up with. And I like the nickel rims that they put on some of these pre-war locomotives like this one. I'm going to turn the camera just a little bit more this way so I can get a better side shot of it. Yeah, we'll give it one more lap. All right. So I think it's a really smooth runner. I like the gunmetal gray color. And of course the 1666E, as I've said before, I love the nickel rims that are on it. And I got the valve gear all polished up nice and got it running really good. I'm really happy that I have one. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord, and Merry Christmas.